Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your nickname on Discord using your laptop or your PC. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So first, go to your Discord account. Under Home, you will see your servers. Click your server. Then beside your name server, click the arrow. Then select Change Nickname. So just type your nickname here. Just save this one. So I will just type a message here. Then right here, my nickname changed. Another way, so just type slash. Then right here, these are commands. So I will just select Nick to change my nickname. Then just type your new nickname. Then enter. So right here, it says that your nickname on this server has been changed to man. So I will just type again. And there you go. My nickname changed again. And finally, if you are the server administrator, you can change the nickname of your members. Just click your server, then click server settings. So right here, click members. So for example, I will change the nickname of this one. So I will just click the three dots beside her name. Then I will click change nickname. So I'm going to give her a nickname. And then click save. So as you can see here, her nickname changed. And that's how to change nickname on Discord. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!